We're going to demonstrate how to install the battery into the Anglerfish leak detection circuit. With the positive side of the battery facing up, place the battery inside the battery holder. Once the battery is placed inside the battery holder, push the battery into place until it clicks. And that's it. That's pretty much how you install the battery. To remove the battery, use your fingers to lift the battery out of the holder. We will demonstrate one more time. Remember not to use any tools to remove the battery.